Hello, welcome to this video. We will solve URL-based access control can be circumvented challenge. This challenge is part of access control category. And to access the challenge, click on this link. So challenge difficulty is practitioner and description is given as this website has an unauthenticated admin panel /admin, but a front-end system has been configured to block external access to the path. However, the backend application is built on a framework that supports X original URL header. To solve the lab, access the admin panel and delete the user Carlos. So this is the challenge page, and we can notice admin panel link. And to solve the challenge, we need to access admin panel and delete this Carlos account. So let's click on this link, admin panel. So it is showing error as access denied. So in the description also it was mentioned a front-end system has been configured to block external access to the path. And also a hint is given like there is a request header X original URL which can be used to bypass this protection. So this is one of the known standard header which can allow attacker to override the URL and access sensitive endpoints. So we will see like how to use this header. So first, let's go to Burp Suite to capture this /admin URL request one more time. So this is the URL. Send it to repeater for further modification. Now let's say if we try to access a page which is not present, maybe let's say 123 admin, and click on send button. So it is showing 404 not found. Now, if we try to access the default page, there is some issue. 1 minute. Yeah. So if we try to access the default page, it is showing 200. Okay. Now let's see how can we use this header. So this is X original URL header. Now, if we will provide similar random value here and click on send button, we have noticed 404 not found. That means even though we are trying to access the home folder, which was earlier given 200 OK, because we are using this X original URL header, it is overriding it. So basically, it is trying to access this 123 KKS folder, which is not present in the application. So it is showing 404 not found. We can follow this similar approach and change this value to class admin. So by default, if we try to hit this, it will throw 403 forbidden. However, if we provide this /admin in the X original URL header and click on send button, we can notice 200 OK this time. So let's search for admin. So we can notice different user is showing. Even we can click on render button just to see the front end, like how it will look like. So it is taking time. So we can just right click and open response in browser. Copy. So after providing that URL, we have noticed this admin panel is accessible and available user is showing with delete button. So again, if we click on delete button here, it will give that forbidden access error because from browser and there is validation implemented. So we can't access URL having /admin directly. So let's try it. Click on delete button. So we can notice access denied. So we can just copy this URL and we can provide it in the header. So let's go to home page. Currently it is not solved, and here we can notice /admin. So change this URL to /admin delete, and let's see if it will delete this account or not. Click on send, it is showing 400 badge requests. So missing parameter username. That means in the URL itself, it is trying to fetch username parameter. So we need to copy this and we need to provide this in the URL itself. So using X original URL, it will try to access the page admin /delete, and it will try to delete this particular account. Click on send button. It is showing 302 response code. And if we go to page, it is showing solved.